Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today is an off-the-cuff, not planned, small little adventure that I've been wanting to bring you guys for a little bit. This is probably one of the most obscure spring type locations that at least I'm aware of. I'm sure there's others. I've been here before a couple times and I want to bring it to you guys because although it's not the most popular, it is so amazing. Before we continue, please smash that like button if you enjoy all of the adventures, and of course if you do enjoy the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Like it says, off to the Diddy, people. No, not that one. Let's go. Buckhorn Creek. We'll be there in a little bit. Let's go. All right guys, we are pulling up on the Diddy. It's just around this bend here. So let's go check it out. I will tell you that on weekends or even holidays, it's really busy here. A lot of the locals love coming out here, hanging out and just relaxing and having a good time. So let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like. The best way to tell that you're arriving at the Diddy, like a lot of springs, is you start noticing the water clarity, right? And we got a turtle here hanging out, but right where that boat is the Diddy. So we're gonna go ahead and let's go explore, baby. This is exciting. There's the Diddy right in that way. We're gonna go check it out. All these people are here just having a good time. Look at that water, how it starts changing a little bit. Look at that. This is so awesome. We got some people hanging out here. Hey folks, how you doing?
Good, you?
Life is great, man. You know? Absolutely. All right, let's go up the Diddy. Check this out. Look how the water changes. How awesome is this? So this right here, guys, like I said before, is Buckhorn Creek. This water comes up from Buckhorn Spring. It's a little bit further up, but I mean, how amazing is this? Just look at this. Right here in my backyard. How awesome is this? So let's keep exploring, people. Let's go. People, we made it to the bridge here on the Diddy, and this part is awesome. Look at this trail. This is unreal, man. How cool is this? The one thing I will say, please, I'm begging everybody, if you do come here and enjoy this beautiful scene that Mother Nature has to offer, please don't do this. Come on. If I had somewhere in my ski that I could put that stuff, I'd take it with me, but man, that's just not kosher. But anyway, check this out. Feels sturdy, you know. Obviously I can't go past this point because of this bridge, and to be quite honest with you, I have never been here, so I don't know where any of this leads. This continues to go all the way up to Buckhorn Spring. My guess is if you have a canoe or something that you can kind of, you know, get underneath this bridge, you can make it all the way up there, I guess. I don't know, I've never been there, but I'm gonna kind of keep exploring around here. Let's check it out. I've got to keep something in mind, which is the rain should be here in less than an hour. I really don't want to get caught in it, especially because I got a full no wake zone all the way back. I'm gonna start wrapping up. I'm gonna try to, you know, stay here as long as I can because I'm in love. Look at this. I am in love with this place. This is absolutely stunning and beautiful. Buckhorn Creek / the Diddy, brought to you guys by yours truly here on obiskitv. I hope you guys are loving the content. Again, if you haven't, smash that like button. Now is an awesome chance, really quick. And of course, have you considered subscribing? Because that's what really gets this channel growing and helps me bring you more content like this. Wrapping it up, heading back. Let's not fall. Heading back on the ski. I hear a little bit of wind, and for those of you guys that know, wind sometimes, not all the times, sometimes equal rain is coming. Let's get back on the ski. Let's head back down Buckhorn Creek. Before we head back. Trusty riding coolers. What's cold. Are you guys walking back through the creek? Yeah. Okay, cool. I'll go in front of you so that way I'm not in your way. You guys have a good rest of your day.
Have fun.
All right, my people, that wraps it up for today's adventure. Thank you so much for joining me here today at the Diddy, going up Buckhorn Creek all the way to the bridge. That's as far as the ski goes. Till the next one, that does it for me. I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't liked the video and you do like the video, please smash that like button. Of course, please consider subscribing to the channel if you love these adventures, because all I want to do is grow the channel so that way I can bring you guys more adventures, more of the places you guys want me to go, because I'm hoping that these little tours give you guys a little insight so you can make it out here, because Florida's just beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's so much to uncover, so much to explore, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm heading back to the ramp. It looks like the sun's actually fighting its way out, so I might get lucky. God bless. Thank you for tuning in. Till the next one, let's go.